Is ranking on page 1 possible without using PPC at all? Yes, it is possible for you to rank on page 1 of Amazon without Amazon PPC ads. The way how you would achieve that is that usually you have external traction towards your listing. The external traction can be blogs, influencers, your website, Google Ads, Facebook ads, or any other marketplace paid advertising that is either redirecting towards your product on Amazon, either you're generating general curiosity, so people check out your product also on Amazon from a real shopper point of view, because I'm shopping on Amazon as well. The first thing that I am doing whenever I'm seeing an ad on Instagram or a product on Instagram and I want to check it out, I never go to the website because I just have trust issues. I think being loyal to Amazon, because it's very easy. If I dislike something, again, I'm thinking as a customer, not as a brand owner. If I dislike something, I can send it back. I can get back my money. They already have the systems in place, so I'm okay with that. So if I'm scrolling on Instagram, I'm seeing a product, I'm going to first type it on Amazon and see if they're selling it on Amazon, and I would purchase from Amazon. Now that is technically external traffic redirecting someone to Amazon, finding your product and purchase it. But that is also a way how you could rank organically without Amazon PPC ads.